Very good morning to all, and let's start with your new chapter, right? And that is your chapter number 15, Plant Growth and Development. Dear students, we have completed your mineral nutrition, yes. Photosynthesis, respiration, yes, you people have completed this. The last chapter of your plant physiology I am talking about, and that is your plant growth and development. So let's look out what this chapter contains. Okay dear students, if I am talking about plant, तो plant कहाँ से produce होता है? We know this thing, seed. Yes, seed germinates to form seedling. हमको अच्छे से पता है when we people are sowing seed inside the soil, है ना? तो सबसे पहले the seed germinate होके क्या बनाएगा? Seedling. Yes or no? Yes. This seedling grows, enters vegetative phase, or you can say it as juvenile phase, followed by which it exhibits reproductive phase or mature phase, in which this plant produces flowers, fruits and seeds. Yes, this is the life cycle of plant. We very well know this thing. Yes, हमको ये भी पता है, we have clearly understood your sexual reproduction in plants. आपने पढ़ा है in lower class. Yes, you people know this thing. If you are talking about your plants, right? तो उसमें होती है क्या? Male gamete is your male gametophyte is actually your pollen grain. Yes or no? Yes. So, dear students, यहाँ पे भी process वही है. Male gamete, female gamete fuses, है ना? So what I am writing over here, जो male gamete होता है, right? जो male gamete होता है, it is going to fuse with female gamete, correct? So ये होगा N, ये होगा N. Please fix in your mind that gametes are always haploid. Gametes are always and always haploid, right? So this male gamete fuses with female gamete, that is egg. यहाँ पे we will be talking about pollen, right? Which results in formation of single celled zygote, जो कि होगा 2N. Yes or no? Yes. Dear students, this zygote grows, right? This zygote undergo cell division, which results in formation of embryo. Which results in formation of embryo. Dear students, we are talking about plants, है ना? तो ये embryo कहाँ पे present होता है? The embryo is present within seed. The embryo is present within seed. ठीक है? ये seed के अंदर present होता है. Simple as that, right? Now, when that seed containing this embryo, of course होता ही है सारे seeds में, when you sow the same in soil, right, it grows, it develops, it matures, and finally that plant is going to die. Finally the plant is going to die. I hope you are getting the point. मैंने क्या बोला? You know carpel? Yes. You also know stamen? Yes. फीमेल एंड मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव यूनिट, है ना? मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव यूनिट स्टेमेन क्या प्रोड्यूस करता है? पोलन ग्रेन्स. फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव यूनिट कार्पेल, स्टिग्मा स्टाइल ओवरी. आई नो ये नाम आपको पता है. ओवरी के अंदर होता है ओव्यूल, करेक्ट? एंड विद इन दिस ओव्यूल देयर इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ फीमेल गैमेट कॉल्ड एज एग. ये दोनों का होता है फ्यूजन, which results in formation of zygote. Zygote undergo certain cell division to form embryo. To form embryo. अब सीड के अंदर जो एम्ब्रियो होता है वो इनएक्टिव हो जाता है, वो डॉर्मेंट हो जाता है. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग द पॉइंट. It becomes inactive, it becomes dormant. When this seed, in the sense I am talking about embryo, when this seed gets suitable condition, when it gets favorable atmosphere, it germinates to form seedling. Seedling grows to form juvenile phase, to reproductive phase. It produces flowers, fruits and seeds, and ultimately at the end of all these events, right, the plant is going to die. Simple as that. Am I clear? तो ये सारी प्रोसेस होती ही है. ग्रोथ होता है, डिफरेंशिएशन होता है, डेवलपमेंट होता है, and at the end plant will die. Simple as that. Am I clear? Okay. Now, if I want to talk something more about seed germination, yes, one point I need to say is that ये जो सारी प्रोसेस मैंने आपको बोली, ग्रोथ हो गया, डिफरेंशिएशन हो गया, डेवलपमेंट हो गया, राइट? तो दिस प्रोसेसेस आर अफेक्टेड बाय इंटरनल फैक्टर्स एज वेल एज एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स. एम आई क्लियर? ये सारी प्रोसेसेस इज अंडर कंट्रोल, आई कैन से, of external factor, which you can also say it as an extrinsic factor, or internal factor, you can also say it as an intrinsic factor. ठीक है? That will be looking for. चलो, now next heading, give as seed germination. Next heading, give as seed germination. Okay dear students, if I am talking about seed germination, तो basically seed germination की definition आप मुझे बोलो. Seed germination is nothing but sprouting of seed. Yes or no? So what is seed germination? Seed germination is nothing but sprouting of seed. वो sprouts आपने खाए होंगे. Yes, sprouts, you know what is sprouts. Yes. Okay, सबके घर में वो बनता है, right? Okay, so sprouting of seeds is what I called as seed germination. क्यों seed sprout होता है? Why? Why it is so? This is due to growth and development of embryo which is present inside the seed. Am I clear? So this occurs due to growth and development. So everyone please note it down. Sprouting of seed due to what? Growth and development. Growth and development. किसका? Growth and development of what? Of embryo. Right. Present inside this seed. So this is the definition of, my dear students, seed germination. Am I clear? Once again, ऐसे ही आप सीड को आपकी स्टोरेज में, किचन की स्टोरेज में, there are many seeds. पी सीड होंगे, राइट? राजमा यू कैन से, छोले चना यू कैन से, देसी चना यू कैन से. दिस ऑल आर माय डियर सीड्स. तो जब मम्मा आपकी बॉटल में उसको रखती है तो उसमें से कुछ स्प्राउट निकलते हैं? नो. इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट योर मूंग विच वी विल हैव विथ राइस एंड कढ़ी, यस और नो? यस. तो वो स्प्राउट्स है. आपने कभी देखा है प्रोसेस? वो मम्मा कैसे करती है? ओवरनाइट शी विल कीप दैट मूंग, यू कैन से ग्रीन कलर वन, राइट, इन वाटर, है ना? फिर सुबह को वो क्या करेगी? पूरा पानी निकाल लेगी and keep it in warm place. Keep it in warm place. So warm place में रखा so that मूछे, what you will see, मूछे, right? That is nothing but, my dear student, roots. वो roots है जो हम मस्त मस्त आसानी से हम खाते हैं. Yes or no? Yes, बहुत अच्छे से हम खाते हैं. Okay. So dear students, ये है आपका sprout. This is what I call as sprouting of seed. Clear? What is sprouting of seed? Sprouting of seed, development of roots that occurs due to growth and development of embryo which is present inside the seed. Simple as that. So as I say कि मम्मा ने उसको पानी में रखा, फिर warm condition में रखा, तो ये सारे factors है. ये सारे factors है. ऐसे ही bottle में they cannot germinate. वो germinate ही नहीं होंगे भाई. Yes or no? Yes. So dear students, seed cannot germinate. ये जो seed है वो germinate नहीं हो पाता if it do not get suitable condition. Let's look out what are the factors. Number one, I will be writing over here, is favorable internal condition. Favorable internal condition. वो मैंने आपको बोला ना, intrinsic factor and extrinsic factor. We will be talking this in terms of seed, right? So if I am talking about your favorable internal condition, point wise we will be discussing. Number one, completion of dormancy. Completion of dormancy. ये एम्ब्रियो जो होता है ना सीड का, वो बहुत आलसी होता है. बहुत आलसी होता है. आलसी इन द सेंस वो बहुत लंबे टाइम सोता है, बहुत लंबे टाइम इनएक्टिवेट रहता है. इनएक्टिवेट का मतलब होता है डॉर्मेसी इन अवर टर्म्स. एम आई क्लियर? तो फॉर सीड टू जर्मिनेट, जो एम्ब्रियो प्रेजेंट है सीड के अंदर, उसकी आलस खत्म हो जानी चाहिए. इन द सेंस डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम सेइंग दैट वो एक्टिव हो जाना चाहिए. वो एक्टिव हो जाना चाहिए. सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज completion of dormancy. Completion of dormancy. This is the first point. Second point is viability. Second point is viability. Viability, viable seeds. In the sense what? Embryo उसके अंदर present होता है. That is called as viability. The embryo of seed is in living state. The embryo of seed is in living state. So this is what I called as viability. Then enough storage, enough stored food. Yes, खाना भी तो होना चाहिए. Yes. So here I will be writing your enough, or you can say it as your sufficient food. Enough food, or you can say it as sufficient food. Embryo which is present inside the seed, है ना? It is going to germinate to form root system and shoot system. अब ग्रोथ के लिए तो एनर्जी हमको चाहिए. यस, तो एम्ब्रियो को भी चाहिए. एनर्जी कहां से आती है? फ्रॉम फूड विच वी पीपल आर ईटिंग, राइट? तो सीड के अंदर प्रेजेंट होता है कॉटिलिडेंस. इफ यू नो दिस थिंग, कॉटिलिडेंस, है ना? तो दिस इज हैविंग स्टोर्ड फूड. इसके पास क्या होता है माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? स्टोर्ड फूड. एम आई क्लियर? सो सफिशिएंट फूड होना चाहिए, राइट? For embryo to develop root and shoot system. And last point is maturation of embryo. इसके अंदर जो भी embryo present होगा, right, it should be mature. So maturation of seed. This all are the favorable internal condition. This all are favorable internal condition. Now let's talk about your it's number 2. Favorable एक्सटर्नल कंडीशन. कौन सी कंडीशन एक्सटर्नली, है ना, अफेक्ट करने वाली है सीड जर्मिनेशन प्रोसेस को? सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड. इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एक्सटर्नल कंडीशन, तो सबसे कॉमन चीज है पानी, वाटर. यस, सो प्लीज राइट वाटर. राइट, नंबर 1 पॉइंट ए इज योर वाटर. Point B, if I am going to talk about, वो क्या होगा? आपका temperature. And the temperature requirement, my dear students, if I am talking about, it ranges between 25 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. So everyone note it down. 25 degrees to 35 degrees temperature is required for seed to germinate. Apart from this, oxygen is also very much required. Oxygen is also very much required, right? Okay, light in some case, है ना? In some case, light in some case, and pH also matters, and pH also matters. I hope you got the point really very well. ठीक है? तो dear students, these are your favorable external condition. अब देखो, seed है, internal condition favorable है. अंडरस्टैंड केयरफुली व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. सीड है कोई भी, इंटरनल कंडीशन फेवरेबल है, मतलब वो फ्रेश हो गया है, एक्टिव हो गया है, डॉर्मेसी खत्म, वायबल है, फूड सप्लाई भी सफिशिएंट है, सीड पे जो एम्ब्रियो है, राइट, वो जो सीड है वो मैच्योर हो चुका है. इंटरनल कंडीशन आर फेवरेबल. But if the external condition is not favorable, then that seed is said to be in quiescent stage. What it is said? It is said to be in quiescent state. So here I will be writing quiescent state. So what is quiescent state? बोलो आप मुझे. What is quiescent stage or state? You can say it is nothing but condition in which your external, है ना, condition is not suitable. Is not suitable. I hope you got the point really very well. So in absence, I can say, in absence of external factors or exogenous factor, the seed is said to be in quiescent state. Seed is said to be in quiescent state, or it is also called as your quiescence. It is also said as your quiescence. Am I clear? Yes. So I hope it is clear to you people. So this is all about, my dear students, introductory part. Still we people have not gone with the process of seed germination. Okay? So I hope you got the point really very well. Seed germination is nothing but sprouting of seed, which occurs due to growth and development of embryo present inside them. Okay, present inside the seed. Factors are very much important. Internal factor and external factor. ये internal factor है, ये external factor है. In absence of external factors, seed is said to be in quiescent state. Important point it is. Please note down the same in your notebooks.